biggest things about refrigeration is making sure that the condensing coils are clean and free of any grease or dust. The main thing that causes failure in refrigeration is a dirty condensing unit. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the condensing unit and how to properly clean it. For safety reasons, you want to make sure your unit is unplugged and turned off. Now to get to your condensing unit, first you have to locate the grill either on the bottom or the top of the unit. In this case, True has it on the bottom. To remove the grill, all you need is a simple screwdriver to remove the one set screw on the top of the unit. Once you do that, the unit sits on magnets on the side and can easily be popped off with no other tools. Now to clean your unit, you need one nylon brush. You take the brush to the front of the unit. Here you'll see the fins that must be cleaned. You take the brush and easily stroke the front of the fins, removing any dirt or other buildup. Now in most cases in the kitchen, you'll have grease buildup. If the grease is too heavy and cannot be removed, you'll need a degreaser to remove the grease. And in most cases, you might want to get your authorized service rep involved. Now, 80% of refrigeration fails because of a dirty condenser. And this is not covered under manufacturer warranty, which will cost the end user anywhere from $250 to $300 in a service charge.